Your TCL TV turns on, the picture looks perfect, but there's no sound coming out at all. It's an annoying problem, especially when you expect everything to work normally. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by a simple setting or connection problem. In this video, I'll guide you through easy step-by-step checks you can do at home to bring the sound back to your TCL TV. No tools or technical experience needed. Let's start with the most basic checks that often solve the problem right away. Grab your remote and turn the volume up to make sure it isn't set too low, and double-check that the TV isn't muted. Then, open the audio settings menu and look at the sound output option. Make sure the TV speakers are selected if you're not using any external device, or confirm the correct output is chosen if you are. If the sound comes back at this point, you're good to go, but if not, let's keep moving. Next, we'll clear out any temporary glitches with a simple power reset. Turn the TV off and unplug it completely from the wall outlet, then leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds without pressing any buttons. This allows the TV to fully reset its internal audio system. After the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on to see if the sound has returned. If you're still not hearing anything, don't worry, there are a few more things we can try. Now let's check all the HDMI and audio cables connected to the TV. Make sure every HDMI, optical, or AUX cable is firmly plugged in on both ends. Even a slightly loose cable can stop audio from working. If you have another cable available, try swapping it in to rule out a faulty cable causing the issue. If the sound still isn't back, we'll restart the TV system itself. Go into the TV settings, open System, then Power, and select System Restart. This reboots the TV software without deleting any of your settings and can fix sound problems caused by minor software errors while the TV is restarting. If this video is helping you so far, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more easy tech fixes like this. Once the TV is back on, head into the audio settings again. Try adjusting the audio output mode by switching between options like Auto or PCM if available. Also, turn off any enhanced or intelligent sound features, as these can sometimes interfere with normal audio playback. Test different apps or HDMI inputs to see if the sound issue is only from one source or the whole TV. If you're using a soundbar or external audio device, make sure it's turned on, set to the correct input, and reconnect all audio cables firmly. Unplugging and reconnecting HDMI ARC or EARC can help reset the sound connection. After that, check for a software update on your TCL TV. Go to Settings, open System, then About, and select Check for Updates. Installing the latest update can fix bugs or compatibility issues that affect sound, especially after recent app or system changes. Restart the TV once the update is complete. If none of these steps restore the audio, the final option is a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, and choose Reset. Keeping in mind this will erase your settings and return the TV to its default state, so only use it as a last resort. That's it for this video on fixing TCL TV sound not working issues. You've now gone through all the safe at-home solutions that solve most audio problems. I hope this guide helped you get the sound back on your TV. If one of these steps worked for you or you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.